and they're all broken. They blocked out all the power. They got a police guy in here because there's a lot of homeless people in this area. I don't know what's up with that. Like Penn Station's pretty bad. One of the many reasons why I don't like having to come to New York. But gotta do what you gotta do. Good morning, buongiorno, everyone. This is Computer Programming University. We are in New York, New York. Bum, bum. I guess we're back. I just crashed. So we're in New York and getting ready to go to Boston. You guys said, go to Boston, see what's up. So guess what? I'm going to Boston. I'm gonna see what's up. I don't know if you guys, hopefully you guys can hear me. Who's listening in? Who is listening in? I see Nara is in the house. CPU squad. We made it. We're in New York. Look at that. We made it! Yes, we can! Look at this. What's going on over here? Check this out. Looks like a situation is going on. I don't know what's going on up there. There's always a situation going on down here. I don't know. It's like, I'm telling you, it's out of control. There's a lot of, when you go to the train station, like a lot of shady type of people just hanging around. They're hanging out by the door. We got groups of them, so you gotta be careful. One time I was working a contract in Wall Street area, and I worked really late. I was working on, I don't know if you remember, I was doing those videos about that that system process checker that I was building. Look at these ghetto birds. Ah! Look at that. Anyway, so I worked really late, and then I planned to go through Penn Station. I don't normally go through there, and it was super late. There was no trains running. Anyway, when I went in there, man, it was just so many shady looking people just hanging around. Just like, what the hell? And I don't know if you saw what I was showing you in that McDonald's. So McDonald's has all the power is blocked out. I wanted to go charge my laptop. I got a long trip ahead of me. I wanted to charge my laptop and make sure everything's fresh to go, funky fresh. And they block it all up. They put stuff in there. I mean, it looked like Baghdad. I don't know what they do to block it up, but there was things in there, in some of them, and others, there was things sticking out of the outlets for some of them, and then for others, it was like you can put the plug in there a little bit, but then it's like there's crap inside of it. It's just like really, really just gangster, man. Anyway, so there you have it. We are going to Boston. And it's gonna be a long trip. I stayed up way too late. See what time it is. Hang on. All right, we got a little time. We got a little time. We're gonna Johnny Rockets for breakfast. Yeah, right. So I have, look at this thing. Look at this. You guys hungry now? Look at this. Look at the size of that burger. So I got my my emergency supplies here. My frozen, well, it was frozen coffee. You gotta have your coffee. It's my coffee. It's frozen. Still a lot of ice in there. So I'll have that to keep me awake because I'm planning on doing some coding, probably working on some scripts for the next video. When I say scripts, I mean like, let's call it lesson plans. Lesson plans. That's what I'm gonna stick with. And I got some water in here as well. Gotta stay hydrated. Stay hydrated. That's frozen as well. That's gonna be nice and cool. And I got my high-speed charger is all frozen. I usually freeze my chargers because they charge faster when they're cold. No, that's probably not even good for it, but whatever. Anyway. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get the burger background. So we are going to Boston. I'm gonna try to I don't know. I might do one other live stream of the trip, maybe in Boston or something. But other stuff I'm gonna do offline. So I'll record videos and then I'll you know, put something together and post it up online. So stay tuned. I stayed up way too late, man. I was up. I'm crazy. You guys haven't figured out I'm crazy. Up till 3 in the morning, and I know I had to get up early. But I'm good to go, man. I'm ready. Well, I'm speaking now. Let's see what happens when I actually get to Boston. How I'm gonna feel. But right now I feel good. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to answer any questions that they want to ask me. I'm in for interrogation. What's your name, rank, and serial number? Alright, man, I gotta get going. I see somebody else just jumped in. Smash that like button. You know we love the likes. And there's your breakfast. I got you guys breakfast. Breakfast is on me. CPU squad. Alright guys, I gotta get going. CPU squad out. Have a great morning, everyone. Across the globe. Buongiorno and ciao.